why I does ChatGPT and what is the secret AI tool I use to crank out high quality emails. And I use three-step process to crank out high quality emails. And what exactly is the process? I'll give you the comparison between ChatGPT and the secret AI tool that I use to crank out high quality emails. So stay tuned in this video because I'm here to tell you exactly how I do it. As I'm roaming in this nature, I will show you how to do it. Let's go. So this is the prompt I've given to ChatGPT, and the same prompt I've given to Cloud.ai, and based on that, I'll show you like what, like we can see what was the email they have put out, and let's see and compare what is the thing which is good. Just let me know in the comments as well, like what do you think was the better email. So we'll write email about the target audience who are divorced and are looking for love, and email should be less than 300 words. It should be conversational, it should be easily understandable by seventh grade. Start with a strong hook that forces people to read the entire email and makes it to use slippery slope model. That is what is the model of that is a classical copywriting principle. Idea of this email should be mistake most women make after divorce, and CD should be a book of free a clarity call. Subject line is three common mistake most women make after divorce. I think that's good subject line, and how to avoid them. Hey, let's get real for a second. Life after divorce is not easy. So many women feel like they're stuck in a loop, wondering if they are ever find love again. But what if some mistake are holding you back again? Most women are not even aware of these common pitfalls. But if you want to heal, feel confident, truly attract love, it's time to spot this mistake and avoid them. Comparing yourself to others, this, rushing into a friendship. Okay, this is a good content, but it does not build a relationship. It does not build empathy. That is what is missing. It's just a content. So it's not a part of the personality of a person which is coming out. So it is the same prompt which I have given to Cloud.ai, and let's see like how the Cloud.ai have performed. Are you making this dating mistake after divorce? You're not alone. Hey there. Remember that feeling when you first learned to ride a bike? So this is what building an empathy and building that feeling. The obstacles, the falls, and finally the freedom. Dating after divorce can feel exactly like that. Scary at first, but so worth it once you get it right. I talked to hundred of divorce men. So this is what building credibility looks like. I did not say it, but this is what the email it has written. And there's one thing that breaks my heart. It's like coming out of my experience. I'm sharing my experiences. That is what is much more valuable in an email than rather than they can read any blog post, any content. But why they are reading our email? Because they want to understand what I have gone through. What is my experience look like? Watching amazing women like you, right? You see, what make the same painful mistake I once did. See, this is what building the our part of personality. Want to know the biggest one? Rushing into a relationship before healing your heart. So this is one of the biggest mistake most women make, and that's right. Here is what usually happens. You jump back into dating too soon. You ignore red flags because you don't want to be alone. You settle for someone who is good enough. You end up feeling worse than before. Sounds familiar? Trust me, I have been there. The good news is you can skip this heartache and heartaches. The truth is finding love after divorce is not about having the perfect dating profile or knowing all the rules. It's about understanding yourself first and knowing exactly what you want and deserve. So, you see, of course we can give more prompt to improve this, but in terms of writing specifically, not talking about other things, what I've experienced is Claude.ai is much better in terms of writing conversational and making the email much more personality driven rather than ChatGPT. Other than that, in terms of that is what I have been experiencing, because that is what I've used for like almost a year now. Want to know how to avoid these painful mistakes? Let's hop on a quick 30 minutes clarity call. So click here to book your clarity. Spots are limited this week. These call are fill of hours. Don't wait to start your journey to real love. Would you like me to modify anything? Of course, I would like to modify and improve much more here, but at initial stage what I see is Cloud.ai is much better. So if you want, now what will I show you, like what are the exact prompt which you can give and how to use this AI tool to make your email much more faster, better, or much more conversational, so that it will not sound like a robot. So let's get into that section now. Now I'll show you how to crank out high quality emails in seconds using AI. So as of now, we all know that we cannot ignore AI, okay? Although we are copywriters, instead of competing against AI, we need to use AI as a tool, as a friend that will help us to get the things done faster and easier manner. So most people don't know how to leverage AI to write high quality emails. And if you give the general prompt to ChatGPT or Cloud.ai, it will produce it that will sound like a robot. So what I'm about to show you will change the way you use AI forever. And if you are able to master the three-step process to consistently produce high quality emails, before I reveal you to that, let's understand the basics. So how does the AI work? It's very simple. When it comes to AI, one thing that you need to understand and remember, the quality of input is equal to the quality of output. So the way you train the AI will, this is how it will behave. It's just like an employee. It will just have to process the data and give the output based on the training which you have given. Although it has a lot of data, that's the reason it behaves very overconfident. It says like, okay, I know everything, and that is the problem. I want you to know a very specific thing. That's the reason I want you to produce specific output for myself. But when it comes to ChatGPT, it knows everything, and that is the problem. ChatGPT default email are garbage out of the box unless we first train it on what a quality emails look like. So most prompt engineer write super long in-depth instruction on how they want the email to be, word count, this. Instead of telling ChatGPT what good emails looks like, show it. That is the telling versus showing it. So here are three-step process to crank out high quality copy in second ChatGPT. So brief it, arm it, and fire it. So what does this brief it? So you are going to tell like you are a world class copywriter, email copywriter, because we are talking about email copy. I'm going to provide you with two example of high quality emails to model, and I need to read them, and I will provide you to with further instruction. Ready? So let's do it right now. I'll go to ChatGPT right now and paste it here. And same I will do in Cloud.ai and paste it here. And this is what I do. I use both the platform and see like what is the best output, and I use that. And after that, I test it, and I use my own experiences to write better emails. I use the like emails from both the places and see what is the best output. Okay, so I have giving output now. Same thing I'm going to do it here. Ready? Go ahead and say the example. Let's take a look. Both people are ready. Now I have few examples ready here. So this is the example I've written for one of the like fitness coach. So I want to model the first email is this one. I'll copy it and I'll say here is the first email. Copy it. I send to this, and same thing I'm going to do it here as a first email. Paste it and like carefully study it. I'm going to give it the second email. So let's go and do that. So this is the second email. This is a testimonial based email. So I'll just copy it and say the same thing. Here's the second email. I send it here, and again I'm going to do it here. Let's the second email. Now it is breaking down like why it is powerful, like real sign of personality, ice bath reference, casual tone, hey man, family story, authenticity marker. Okay, so that is the brief it. Okay, and I have armed it. This is two-step done. All right, brief it, copy and paste two high quality emails you think solid and want to model. So this is email one, email two. This is what we have done right now. Now based on the input which I have given, I want the output. So the email which I'm giving, so if I'm writing for health needs and I'm writing for the same client, first of all I'll train them. Okay, this is how I want you to write, and then I'll get the output. So first of all, I'll go and write myself. I do the research, I go the idea generation, I write the first draft myself, and I write the email myself, so that now I can give AI to okay, model it to trainer. Otherwise, if I go first to AI, it will help me generate idea, but it will not give the best kind of email which I want. So this is my approach. I will get the idea from the research. I do research on Reddit. That is a classical method. Reddit, Amazon reviews and all the places. And after that, once I idea generated, once I done with the research, and then I go and edit it, and then I the chat GPT and Cloud AI to write it, and after that it gives me a consistently good amount of copy. So based on these email, write three similar they must be super engaging, creative. So I don't say three emails. I'll just ask them based on these emails. I want you to write emails about specific idea. So I'll get that idea from the research, and based on these email, I'll write the email about this. They must be super engaging, creative, and start with unique hook. The language should be this. So for this video, I'm just pasting this and see how does this perform. And same on this. Let me see email. Dude, my gym buddy just roasted me. See, this is what I wanted, and he was right. Hey man, I was so there was crossing my morning order, or at least I thought I was. Until my gym buddy dropped this truth bomb. Bro, you're like a hamster on well, lots of movement, zero progress. Ouch. See, the personality is coming to, but you know what? He was not wrong. Let me guess. You have been there too, right? Grinding away at the gym like a madman, following every guru on Instagram, trying every supplement under the sun. You see, this is the email that I wanted to write. It's like being stuck in a bad relationship with your fitness routine, putting in all the work. So this is a good metaphor. What if I told you the hamster wheel is not your destiny? Check out this transformation. So transformation crazy, right? In just really he went from this dad bot to dad. Wow. Crazy does this. Just in a real life method, that's already transformed this because like click here to apply for this. Not everyone qualifies to work with me. Apply to see the man with whom I would love to work. See? This is a challenge. Catch you on the flip side, Krishnan. The chat Jimmy is now one of my clients. See. Email 2, my wife dropped a bomb this morning. So this is what the email looks like, and this is what exactly I want for like if I were to give email. So once you are able to give the right prompt and right email, the chat GPT and especially Claude AI will produce a much better email. Now let's check what chat GPT has done. So third email is my wife. She's my biggest cheerleader now. Confession, I used to be walking zombie. Hey man, real talk. I used to be mess, this. So there's a personality into it. Bull freaking crap. You know what's really wild? We'll spend hours researching this. But when it comes to our body, cricket makes zero sense, right? So I love these emails. Seriously. Like there are few changes I want to do, but those emails are good to go. Let's see what ChatGPT has done. You have been lied to, my friend. Here, look, I'm not want to rate, but I got this to my chest. You know how they tell you, take it easy. It's what a lot of BS, right? They're trying to convince you that that bot, the tripods, low energy is just normal. Normal? No, man, I'm calling out loud. See, it's not bad, but like Claude much better than this. Then I thought, what if there's a way to look in the mirror actually like you use? So I did some digging. I mean, serious no stone unturned because you deserve to strong this. You're leaving power on the table, bro. So this subject line can be much better, but you're probably you start a job, mad respect, but can we what's happening outside the see these emails are like good, but it's not that good as this. So you have already demonstrated why. So both of the thing I'm using, same principle which I'm using, but still I like Claudette. What is your opinion? Just let me know. Um, so here we are, and this is how I use client like AI to write faster, better, and get the things going fast.
What's up? So, how was the video? Just let me know because I just don't want you to let me know. I want you to go and implement it, test it out for yourself, and let me know after that how did it feel like. Because once you implement it, you'll be able to crank out emails like this, and you'll be able to get the things done much faster, efficient manner, in much more high quality. So, go and start implementing the strategy which I have revealed in this video, and after that let me know what next video do you want me to post in the YouTube channel, and I'll keep you updated. Sounds good? Let's do this.